Hazur, there is a question from a lady guest from Detroit.
Yes.
She says, I have read in some hadith about the followers of the Holy Prophet ﷺ that they have seen the seal of the Prophet in the form of some lump or tumor between his shoulders, between the shoulders.
You see, I have also read about such traditions which deal with this, but when you read the Quran, these hadiths are not supported by the Quran at all. You see, if they mean to say that there was a seal on the back which was imprinted on the prophets, how can you build the scenario? It becomes totally meaningless. Now, this much I can give, that maybe there was a symbolic something to show a sort of seal. But when Hazrat Muhammad ﷺ is mentioned, it is not said in the Quran that he bears a seal. It is mentioned that he is the seal. Now, there is a world of difference between the two things. The Holy Quran says he is the seal. And these traditions say he bore a seal. And that seal could not be imprinted on the characters of the prophets. It's impossible. But Muhammad Rasulullah's character could be imprinted upon the prophets, and that is why we know that that prophet who is in conformity with the general character of Muhammad Rasulullah, he is the only true prophet. The one who is in disagreement with the general character of Muhammad Rasulullah is a false man. So this is the meaning of seal. So the whole person of Hazur Akram Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the seal of prophecy, not just one single, birthmark or something. So because people want to take things literally overmuch, and they don't want to go into the deeper meaning of the spiritual messages. So it is easy, just a plaything they're looking for. And such people with these superficial attitudes, they highlight these traditions and we don't know when they came into being. After all, they were collected 200 years or sometimes 400 years after the demise of Muhammad Rasulullah. So I don't know about the chain of authorities which quote, but I know this is a fundamental inviolable principle, that if any tradition is contradictory to a clear statement of the Quran, then either that hadith has to be understood in conformity with that statement of the Quran, or it should be rejected, not as a word of the Holy Prophet, but as not being the word of the Holy Prophet. The word of the Holy Prophet could never contradict the Quran, so such hadiths are rejected as false. So either somebody should come with a solution whereby I could see this hadith to be in conformity with the verse of the Holy Quran which says, "Ma kana Muhammadun aba ahadin min rijalikum walakin Rasulullahi wa khataman nabiyyin." Muhammad is khataman nabiyyin. A khatam is not being carried by Muhammad Rasulullah. So when somebody comes with a meaning, then I'll be able to answer that question, not before that. Thank you.